I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices and turning on projecting. First, confirm your laptop supports HDMI input or use a capture/USB video adapter. This matters because most laptops have HDMI output only. Once the correct cable or adapter is connected, open Windows Settings, go to System, and enable projecting to this PC. Set it to available everywhere or available on secure networks. You should also allow PIN or prompt options. Make sure both devices are on the same network if using wireless projection. Next, establish the link between the source and your laptop. If using wireless projection, open Action Center on the source device, tap Connect, and choose your laptop. Accept the incoming request on the laptop. If using an HDMI capture adapter, install its drivers and select the adapter as a video input in camera or third-party viewing software. This creates a live display window. Once connected, adjust display settings. Set resolution, scaling, and refresh rate to match the source so text and video look correct and latency stays minimal. Finish by configuring how the image appears. Press Windows+P to duplicate, extend, or use second screen only depending on whether you want a mirrored or dedicated monitor. Give the display a moment to stabilize, and if using a capture window, maximize it and set the app to full screen to mimic a monitor. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Verify the laptop supports the chosen input path. Most laptops lack HDMI in, so if there is no signal, switch to a USB capture device, reinstall drivers, and reboot both devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.